How to change bookmarks folder name on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change bookmarks folder name on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click this one in the bottom, this star icon here. Click on it, and after you click on it just click this one here. uh, hold on hold on the folder and then click rename, and here you can change it and click here rename, and as you see the name have been changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.